Welcome or welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video. I'm gonna give you videos all summer, so get used to seeing my face. I created this look, I want to say, let me look, in February. That day I got so many compliments on my makeup, and everyone was like, do a video, do a video, do a video, but I was in school and I didn't get the chance to record the video. So I got home today and I was on my way from Dunkin' Donuts this morning, and I was like, I should film that video that everybody was requesting like a few months ago. So I got home today and I was like, let's record the video. This is actually post, I want to say I put this makeup on around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's currently 10 p.m. right now. So this makeup is almost 12 hours old and it still looks like flawless. Like, I could do a little bit of blotting, but I'm about to take it off. And I'm sorry if my chest looks a little red. I don't know what's been going on. I've been rolling my chest, and my chest is very sensitive. So sometimes, and I'm very light skinned here, like my skin's very yellow, so it bruises like super easy. So it's just a little red because like it's real sensitive to the roll. Okay, so I'm gonna do this thing in my videos where we take a good like 5 seconds to look at my nails. So this is nail cam. Like, look at them. They are beautiful. If anybody's wondering, I always get questions about this ring. I got this ring from Pandora. It looks really nice. Some people even think it's an engagement ring. Hell no. Yeah, and stay tuned because I will have more uploads coming your way. So until next time, bye!
So this is me, guys, barefaced, no makeup. So first things first, I always go on my eyebrows. I've been using the chocolate pomade, and this is my Morphe concealer. I forget the shade, I'll list it down below, but I actually lost this and I've recently just found it. I mean, like recently, like in this video is when I found that shade. But I use that to clean up my eyebrows, and it just makes them look real sculpted and nice and clean. I use the Tarte Shape Tape for my eyelids as an eye primer because it's real thick and sticky, so my shadows stick on there real good. Oh yeah, primer. My favorite primer right now is the Hourglass Mineral Veil. I think that's the name of it, but it turns me like a purpley shade before I put on my foundation. I don't know why, but it does, but my makeup always turns out nice. So I'm going in with the shade Access with a packing brush, and I'm putting that all over like my lid. It's hard to explain, but you guys see it's like all over like the outer portion of my lid, and we're just packing that on there. We're really not blending it out until like later on, and now I'm like kind of like fluffing it around. Then going into the shade Agent with like, this is more of a blending brush. I'm going to put that directly in my crease on top of Access, and again we're still just packing color on there. We're really not blending it out right now, but as I keep going I'm going to blend that brown shade into, you know, the yellow. You know, we got money everywhere, so we ballin'. Okay, period. Going into my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, I'm using the shade Morocco just to deepen up that orangish shade because it wasn't popping enough for me, so I wanted it to pop. Going into the Smooth Criminal shade, I'm going to make that orange a little bit more brown and homey and sultry, and I'm just taking that directly into my crease. I'm not going to blend that out at all. I'm just like brushing it on there because I'm actually going to cut the crease, which you will see very shortly. So I cut my crease. It's really not too hard, but yeah, you just have to trial and error. Then going into the shade Prowl, I'm going to just take that on the outer corners of my eye to deepen this whole look up. And then I'm also going to set with my Micro Smooth powder that Alyssa actually put me on to. And then going back into, I think, Agent, I believe it is, I put that on like 3/4 of my lid and like blended it inward, if you can see what I'm kind of doing. And I just love how this like comes out. Like, it comes out really, really nice. It's simple, but it's like, I mean, it's intricate, but it's still like simple, if you know what I mean. Like it's like an everyday kind of look. But then for the glitter portion, I put Guilt Trip on there, and it's just a gold shade. You don't actually have to have the Morphe X Jacqueline Vault palette for this. But I really love how this came out and it looks amazing. Using my Cause I'm Black Fly Liner by Rihanna, I just used that so my lashes would look good. Boy, my lashes looked amazing. Now I'm going to take the Ram from ColourPop. It's like this red shimmer shade, and put that in the inner corners of my eye. The camera really didn't pick up on this too well, but it really set the look apart because the red really made the orange pop. But my lashes just look, oh my gosh, these lashes were $3 and they're amazing. So I finished the rest of my face off camera. Right now I'm just kind of like going in with everything, like lips, eyebrow fixes, blush, you know, all the other things that just make you pop. I forget what gloss this is. I believe it's Lancome. I'll put the number down in the description box. But this blush from Milani is the best. If you are a brown skin girl, you need this blush, like honestly. I was actually debating not highlighting in this video just because I felt like my face was so radiant and dewy on its own without the highlighter. I was like, I don't really need it, but then I was like, I have to highlight it. Who doesn't highlight? But this, you guys, is the finished look. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next